In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're looking to personalize your form or add a visual aid to make your content clearer and more engaging, adding an image can be an excellent way to enhance the user experience. I'll guide you through each step, with tips and insights along the way to ensure you can complete this task efficiently and effectively. First, you'll want to open your web browser and type Microsoft Forms into the search bar. This step helps you navigate to the official Microsoft Forms site, which is your gateway to creating and editing forms. If you haven't bookmarked it already, searching for it is a straightforward way to get started. Once the site loads, the next step is to sign in with your Microsoft account. It's crucial to remember that you need an active Microsoft account to access Microsoft Forms. If you're already signed in, you might be automatically redirected to your dashboard, but otherwise, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. This will give you access to your existing forms or allow you to start creating a new one. Next, navigate to the specific Microsoft form where you'd like to add an image. Browse your existing forms or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once inside your form, pinpoint the exact location where the image is needed. It could be next to a question or a text field designed to capture more detailed responses. When you've chosen the right spot, select the question or text field. This action ensures that the image will be inserted in the correct place. You should see an icon labeled Insert Media, represented by a small image symbol. This icon is usually located to the right of your selected question or text box, ready to be clicked. Once you click the Insert Media icon, you'll be prompted to choose your image source. Here you have a few options. You can conduct an image search using Bing, which is directly integrated into Microsoft Forms. Alternatively, you might already have the perfect image stored in your OneDrive account, which you can easily select. If your image is stored locally on your device, use the Upload option to browse your files and choose from there. After selecting the source and the desired image, it's time to add it to your form. Simply click Add or Insert, and voila! Your image should now be embedded within your form. It's a quick process, but be sure to preview your form to ensure everything looks just right. That's all it takes to insert an image into your Microsoft form. With these steps, your forms can be more dynamic and visually appealing, making the overall user experience more engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.